Hello, the other time I talked about the designs of the roof and the way the roof can leak, and I am a culprit of my roof leaking. Yesterday it rained. It rained a lot with a lot of wind, and I just had water coming in my near somewhere in the kitchen. So when I went to look, it was like, way, it is leaking. And to me, it was not even a leak. It was raining inside the house. So I've called someone. I think there are debris up there, and we want to remove them and see if it is going to stop. I think the debris are so many on the gutter. So when the water comes, the water doesn't go down. They will get into the gutters and then they will come into the house. And I want to clean my roof, especially this one here. I've looked at the others, they're not so bad, but this one here near the kitchen somewhere here, I just have to remove those debris because the rain is coming and it's going to fall again. This is what happened yesterday. You can see the rain coming in a corner in the kitchen. So the next day I got outside just to look at the roof, and it was dirty. I'd seen earlier that there was some debris somewhere there. So what I decided to do, I called Jose to come and help so that he can go up there and clean the debris. So he is preparing a ladder that can help him go up there. The roof is so high, so he needs a higher ladder that will get him on top of the roof. Jose is already on top and he has started cleaning. And you can see the dirt, the debris coming down. And that was the worst place that rain was coming in the house. So let us just see what he is doing. Wow! Mm. Eh. Kuna mali umeona mali ilikuwa imejaa? Sasa kama hapa hivi. Hii maji unaona hii imefunga. Imefunga hii. Imefunga. Wow. This is what was blocking the water from coming down, and this is the worst corner. There were a lot of debris there and Jose was cleaning them. I hope it's not going to cause any harm anymore. So let us just see how Jose is cleaning the place. Oh. Kitu yenye unaona maji kirudi ndani. Hizo msumari wako gonga zimerudi. Msumari pia zimerudi juu. Oh. Hizi zimeinuka zote. Msumari zimeinuka. Unaona kama hapa ni shimo. Zimetoka ama zimeinuka tu? Unaona kama hata hivi. Rudi pale uone. Imetoka? Unaona hivi. Ebu? Haiko kwa hiyo nini? Wow. Waipatia allowance. Sasa ikitoka huko hata maji kikuja. Inasukuma hizo vitu. Sasa unajua ikitaka iende. Napata inazuia na mabati. Oh, okay. Hata huko mshumari zimetoka upande hiyo, hizo hazijatoka. Unajua upande ile ingine nafikiria upepo. Let us now get to the other side. This is the third one that he is now going to clean. And let us see how it looks like. Pia kuna uchafu? Kidogo tu hapo. Kidogo? Haya, fagia. Mshumari imetoka? Zimetoka? Imeinuka? Ujue itabidi sasa fundi aje. Nitampigia simu aje angalie kule hizo mshumari vile zimetoka, azirudishe. Sasa hiyo ingine unaenda pande hiyo ingine ama imeisha? Kuna kule. Kuna moja. Kuna moja. Unaona kama hii. Imetoka? Maji ikikuja. Itaingia hapo. Ama hoja tu mchana kama nini kone chai. He is now getting to the last one, and we also want to see what is happening if there is any debris on this other side. Kona zimeisha zote. Sasa ni wapi wasema? Hapa hakuna uchafu. Iya hapa. Si ufagie? Unaweza fika hapo? Fagia hizo naziona. Kuja tu pole pole. Mvua yaja, mvua. Ishabeba juu. Fanya haraka tutoke hapo kabla haijanyesha. Fanya haraka tutoke hapo kabla haijanyesha, itakupiga hapo. Si hata gata ufagiliwa? Hata gata ufagiliwa. Inafagiliwa lakini maji naye yenye imejaa hapo. Maji iko hapo kwa gata. Kwa hivyo kuna maji imesimama? Kuna maji imesimama. Sasa hiyo nitaita seal. Nitaita seal. Lakini hebu kama unaweza fagia. Wow! Maji imesimama hapo. Na takataka. Wow! Kwa hivyo maji haiko inateremka. Ebu Jose, ondoka mvua. Hiyo nitaita seal kesho. Jose has completed cleaning and rain is coming. And at this time, I want to go inside and see what is going to happen inside the house. Let's go in. As you can see, it's raining and it is not coming the way it did the other time. But I had a problem in my sitting room, and this is now where the rain was coming in. There is a corner that now the rain was coming in. I've never seen this, and it really pissed me out. The rain has now stopped, and I've never seen this. I've never seen this kind of rain. It was windy, And the places that I thought rain could come, it stopped. It never came. But then it was here in the living room. I've never seen anything like this in the living room. So I really don't know. I don't even know what to say about what happened today. But I want to give it another try to see if the rain comes, then I'll call the contractor who placed the mabati. Because there was another time he came and he was up there. And when he left, the rain started coming in the house. I understand people are saying that this type of mabati, versatile, you don't have to step on top of it. But I wondered, what type of mabati don't you have to step on it? Because you have to go up there to clean the place, and you saw what came up there. It was dirty. So I had to clean the place. So let us see what is going to happen. Maybe tomorrow if it rains, because it's raining. Understand this is El Nino and it is raining. It's really raining down here. I'll see what is going to happen tomorrow. If it worsens, I have to call the contractor. If it doesn't stop, this means that I just have to replace this roof again. And do I have the money to do that? I don't. So I'll see what is going to happen, my dear viewers. This is what has happened to me. And I'm here. Look at me with my seats. I've changed everything around. I've pushed the seats the other side. And now I'm even tired. I don't want to touch them. I'll wait until tomorrow and see. Because sometimes, even in the middle of the night, it will start raining. So I don't know what is going to happen. But I noticed that when it is raining without wind, it's just okay. It doesn't come in. But when it was raining with wind, the rain was coming in. And Jose told me when he was up there that some nails were popping out. So let me call the contractor who placed the roof so that we can see what is up there, if he can redo the nails again. I don't know. This is what has happened to me, my dear viewers. And just thank you for being with me. And let us meet on my next video.